Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name's Des Woodruff here at Grok Trade. It is Monday, December 6, 2010, and the markets, check this out, we're mixed. I thought we'd have a pretty good chance of being in bearish territory today, but only the Dow and the S&P were in negative territory, not by much, but the Nasdaq and Russell's leading the charge, especially the Russell's gang. That is a telltale sign of small caps. When you have these guys leading the market, that should also pull up the S&P and Dow. So I like seeing that. The banks also in positive territory today, basically breaking even on the VIX, and we have gold hitting an all-time high. Gold closed at 1425. I mean, up almost a 1.5% today, and silver up 30 at a 30-year high. So wow, these metals are really showing quite a bit of strength. But here we are looking at the S&P daily. And the S&P daily, we have this big breakout that took place off this bullish pennant formation. Boom, up over this 20-day moving average. Rallies up, 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 starting to roll over a little bit. And then today we get this. It's called a bearish harami reversal pattern. So if the only way this is confirmed is if we make a lower low. So what I'm looking for tomorrow is if we make a lower low below, say 1220, or let's say 1219. If we can get a close below 1219, that will confirm this reversal pattern, and at that point you should see a leg commence to the downside. If that being said, you will have the beginnings of a double top or the makings of what's called an ascending triangle, but we'll only know that after we see this lower leg come to fruition and be fully developed. And that's where we're at right here in the markets. But I'll tell you, stay in your longs as the markets continue to go up, but we do have some major resistance that we're going to be dealing with right here. And that was my cell phone there. But resistance is going to be at 1226. We have to get over that to stay bullish in this market. If not, if we start to drop, you may make sure you have your stops in place, tighten them up, stop out of some of those longs as we start to pull back, unless you just plan on holding them for the long term. After all, you have Bernanke coming out and saying they're willing to expand their quantitative easing. So with the Feds coming in to keep giving support to the markets, it's really hard to go bearish in that environment. So with that said, safe trading to you. And remember, here in a couple weekends, we have a mentorship. I'd love to be your mentor, and we would love to take you under our wing and help you out. Take care and safe trading to you.